Hello guys, this is a video regarding a potential repair for a 2003 Infiniti G35 with the Bose audio system and navigation. So there's quite a bit of manuals online about removing the audio unit and the head unit from the car, so I won't bore you with that. I managed to remove everything and got down to the bare essentials. And this is the unit of interest, I guess we could call it. Now, this face that you're seeing right here is actually the bottom. When it's installed in the vehicle, this is the bottom face. Maybe I could turn it around and show you. Yeah, as you can see, this is the cassette player and the CD right there. The faceplate and everything is removed. Well, I want to call faceplate, but I think they call it something like yeah, I don't know what exactly Infiniti calls it. This is the flex PCB, or yeah, ribbon cable that goes actually to the front and the buttons, etc. Now, from what I understand, there's a common issue with these units where the whole system stops and you can't use the HVAC controls, the AC doesn't work properly, etc., etc. The whole thing shuts down. So what I don't necessarily have that issue. What I do have is I have an intermittent battery drain. So essentially, some mornings I will get in my car and the car will not start because the battery was drained. I don't like that, especially the fact that it's intermittent. It also made debugging a hell of a lot more difficult, I want to say, because of that. Now, there's repair services that will repair this for 150 to 180 bucks, including shipping on some of them. But considering it's 2013 now and this is a 10-year-old car, I don't necessarily want to go that route. So what I would do is, there's plenty of videos on taking this to this level. This is the unit. Let's look from the back, because this is probably the area of interest for us. First thing you have to do is remove this. There's a whole bunch of small screws all around. Nissan must have gotten a deal on these or something. Oh, by the way, this is a Clarion head unit. So it is actually, Nissan most likely contracted this out to Clarion to manufacture. Let me put that aside. Okay. The next thing that you have to do is, there are 4 screws that hold the cassette mechanism, I guess, cassette player on this. So once you remove that, this should pop out like so, which reveals the full circuit board in here. This big guy is the main microcontroller that controls the whole system. This goes to the CD changer. This flex goes to the CD changer on the back, your tuner, bunch of beautiful stuff. Now, the area that I'm questioning, and specifically there was another forum user that looked into it, is this one right here. Let me get some kind of pick tool or something to point with. So there's this big transistor back down here. I don't know how much you can see it. I guess from the top it would be easier. Well, that lid's quite annoying, isn't it? Let me try, see what I can do. Okay, maybe that's better. So there's that big transistor here, right there, which is part of the circuitry that gives the 5 volts to the whole unit. And this 5 volts is active no matter if your system is on or off. The rest of the power supplies, such as 9 volts for the CD, 9 volts separate for the system, plus 12 volts, they're all controlled from this MCU with a signal through its GPIO pins. So yeah, now what was funny is there's 2 resistors right there. I don't know if you can even focus on that. They're 0805s, surface mount resistors. I've already looked into playing with one of them. Can this thing even zoom? Let's try that. Yes, there we go, something happened. There we go. So you see R510. Well, when it focuses, you see R510. There, it's focused. R510 and R509. You will notice the R509 is removed. R510 is not. What I did is I removed the resistors. They were kind of tombstoned, something similar to what you would see to a bad solder job in by a pick and place machine. If it's not done properly and the heat profile wasn't right. But this doesn't quite look like that. It seemed like, I don't know, maybe excessive heat. There was a bit of flux residue on in these, around here and around the resistors, which I removed. I don't think that's a problem. I mean, it could be a problem over time, but not really. The flux residue you see right now, which is this black stuff on the what is it, 510, it's just for me, so I haven't cleaned that up yet. But yeah, I believe I'm going to reflow these resistors. As you notice, the R510 right now has a little bit too much solder. I don't know if I should be worried about that. I did it. I don't know what's better. Technically it's not a proper solder job. It should have a little bit less solder than that. There is blobs of solder on that, so it's not perfect. But that said, I'm not certified in any kind of soldering, be it car soldering, be it any other kind. I just, I guess from experience, I have a general idea of what is a good solder joint and what isn't. Let me try and get this to focus. Yeah, it's a crap. That's gonna be a crappy video. Oh well. I will gladly return all the money you paid for me showing you this video. So, yeah, if you have any complaints. Anyways, I'll keep you updated with that, and hopefully this resolves my intermittent battery drain issue. I wanted to give you a quick view of where this ended up. So what I've done is the two 22 ohms resistors I've replaced with a single 10 ohm resistor, which means that more power will be dissipated in the transistor right here, that guy that I have a new heatsink on that sits right underneath there. So in order to bring down its junction temperature, I have the heatsink there. That should suffice. Actually, this should be pretty much bulletproof. So yeah. On the outside, this head does not interfere with anything. On the back here, we have plenty sticking out, but there is nothing there. So overall, this should produce a very stable 5-volt rail and do it for long periods of time without any issues with overheating. Really, should be solid.